How to check deleted messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Messenger. You will find this kind of screen pop up. If you can't find messages in your chat box, simply go to menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to archive. Your chat may be in archive as well. To unarchive, simply hold on and then press on archive at the bottom. Or if you don't find it here, simply go to Facebook. Simply open Facebook and log into your account. Then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines on top right corner of your screen, simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find settings and privacy. Click on settings. In here, go to Account Center, which is the first option. Then scroll down in Account Center till you find your information and permission and click on it. Then click on Download your information. Click on Download or Transfer information. Then select your Facebook account and press on Next. Click on Specific type of information. And then you will find messages at the bottom. Simply make sure there's tick mark and then press on Next. After you've done that, click on Download to device and then press on Create files. After this file is created, you will be able to download it in from here. You will also get notification on your Gmail. And this is how to check deleted messages on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.